From financial ETFs to gold data, Minexa.ai automatically detects repeating patterns and converts them into clean datasets for effortless ETF trading data scraping. Navigate to the finanzfluss DE ETF search page you want to scrape. Open your target page. Minexa handles rendering and structure detection. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. Click the extension. No setup. Just open it and Minexa gets to work. Click the violet button, I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the page and detect the ETF trading data list. Minexa.ai has found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run to give you complete ETF data coverage. Choose lightweight list scraping or full extraction across every detail page for your ETF and gold data. Click Continue for standard pages or use advanced mode when a click, filter, or interaction is needed before the data appears. Minexa.ai has highlighted the detected HTML container. Click Create Scraper to let it pick the most stable way to read this page for consistent extraction every time. All columns are identified, including ETF names, trading volumes, prices, and gold data. Select the fields you need, and they will appear exactly as shown in your export. Developers can click the API request button to get the full Python request with rendering, retries, and proxy settings configured for this scraper. Validate and complete the configuration by clicking Complete Configuration. Minexa.ai flags anything unexpected to prevent incorrect data extraction. Minexa.ai automatically detects the Next Page button and will continue scraping all pages. If no pagination exists, you can simply continue without additional steps. Validate the scraping job setup now. If you need ongoing updates, configure a recurring schedule right here to automate future runs. The last step is to start the run. Pagination rules and container logic are applied together to ensure full dataset coverage for ETF trading data. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. You'll see key data points like ETF names, prices, volumes, and gold values neatly organized, ready for your analysis. Click Export. The file is ready immediately for anyone to open, whether technical or not. Start with Minexa.ai and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual rerunning or intervention.